Hi, my name's John. I came to Regenerative Biologics because, quite frankly, my wife was coming here and she told me about Dr. Haake and the organization here, and so I came to check in because I'm very adverse to taking medications to solve problems when I think I can solve my own problems. So going through the health authorization program with Dr. Haake and the other staff here, I have managed to get all my vitamin levels leveled out and on track now, and I'm dropping weight like it's water coming off my back. In the last 6 weeks, I've managed to drop a little over 20 pounds, and I just feel great. Another benefit that I did as well as here, I looked into stem cell therapies while I was here. We worked with the group here, did the stem cell therapy in both my knees, and overnight, all the pain I've been experiencing for the last 20 years with all the damage I'd done on my knees was gone, and I just feel great. I'm walking around like I'm a young man again, and my knees are just awesome. So I recommend checking into this for anybody who's interested.